Before you design the cutest candle label ever, let's make sure it's actually legal. Because yes, even candles have labeling laws, and you can get in trouble if you ignore them. So here's what's required by law and what's strongly recommended for safety and liability. At the Candle Artist Way, we engrave this information on the inside of the candle lid. In the United States, candles are regulated under something called the Fair Packaging and Labeling Act, the FPLA. That means every candle sold to the public must include these three things. Statement of identity. This is the name of the product, like candle, scented candle, or wax melt. The law wants the generic name, not your fancy product title. Name and place of business. That's your business name, city, and state. This tells the buyer who made it or who is responsible for it. Net weight of contents. That's the wax weight listed in both ounces and grams. For example, 14 ounces, 400 grams. Not the full weight with the jar, just the product inside. That's the minimum legal requirement for selling candles in the U.S. There's another category called industry safety standards. Not federal law, but if you're selling to real customers, especially in stores, they're expected and protect you legally. A fire safety warning label. I put these stickers on the bottom of my candle. This is the one that says things like, burn within sight, keep away from children and pets. Keep away from things that catch fire. That comes from ASTM standard F2058, and most wholesalers, craft shows, and retailers require it. Safe burning instructions, like trim wick to 1/4 inch or do not burn more than 4 hours at a time. Country of origin, if you import your vessels pre-filled or private label. These are not legally required, but they can help your brand and your customer trust. Wax type, like coconut apricot wax or soy wax. Scent name and fragrance notes. Made in USA or hand-poured in your city. Batch or pour number for quality control. Ingredients are not required unless it's a cosmetic, like massage oil candles. So to recap, you need what it is, who made it, and where. How much is inside? And you really should add a fire warning label. If you have those, you're legally covered and professionally packaged. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to turn plain vessels into works of art using sublimation and engraving. See you next time on the Candle Artist Way.